Hello everyone, this is Mokshit. Today I am going to explain you about NumPy in Python. First of all, introduction to NumPy. NumPy stands for Numerical Python, a powerful library used for numerical computations, handling errors and matrices, built on C to make it very fast. And the first main question everyone mind raises is why should we use Python NumPy and like that? This is I will tell you why we should use NumPy because uh, for fast performance with arrays and memory efficient, it supports large multi-dimensional arrays and broad range of mathematical functions. And this is also useful for scientific and engineering applications. And then, how to install NumPy? First of all, we need to go like install NumPy. Use this in your Python script like import numpy as np. So you can import numpy in that code. Sorry, before import, we need to install numpy arrays. The main object is nd array. We're more efficient than Python list. This numpy is more efficient than Python list compared to list. Numpy is more efficient, and also numpy supports 1D, 2D, and 3D arrays and more. Like you can see the example. Import first for the given import numpy as np and then a equal to np dot array and 1 2 3 and print a. When we print this, we get this as an array. And then go to the next slide. Array creation functions. These are the functions used to create an array in the numpy. Like you can see np dot array, np dot zeros, np dot ones, np dot arrange, and this has start, stop, and step. Like we use this as for loop like that. This is like same as for loop, the syntax. And then going to next, the np dot line space start, stop, and this has step and this has number. And then this is the example, like np dot zeros 2 comma 3, np dot arrange 0 10 2. This is an example for array creation. And then going to next slide, we will see array attributes. The array attributes are ending. This is number of dimensions. And shape. This is dimensions of an array. Size is total number of elements in that array. And dtype gives data type of elements. And a equal to np dot array. And parentheses we have square brackets. These two are in one square bracket and these two 3 comma 4 are in other square brackets. And when we print a dot shape and a NDM and a size, we get its number of dimensions for a ending, and a dot shape we get dimensions of this array, and for a dot size we get total number of elements in this array. These are the array attributes, and this is the example for array attributes we use. And then going to next slide, we see array indexing and sliding. Like same as lists, we also have array accessing and indexing in this numpy. Like this, you can see accessing elements in this numpy as very simple. This is a of 0 is for 1D elements, and a of 1 comma 1 is for array elements, and for slicing a of 0 and 2, and this is as seen. And array operations are two types: array-wise operations and matrix multiplication. Like that, array-wise operations are a plus b, a into b, np to square root of a. Matrix multiplication. You can see matrix multiplication is very simple in this numpy. Like np dot of a comma b gives matrix multiplication in numpy. And going to NumPy functions, you can see the functions are many, and some of these functions are given here. np.mean, np.sum. This gives average, and this gives sum of the elements, and this gives the highest one element or highest number in that array. np.minimum gives the lowest, np.reshape, np.transpose, np.sort, and np.unique. These are used for other operations, and this is example for NumPy. np.main gives np.array 1 comma 2 comma 3 gives the output as 3 plus 2 plus 1 as 6. The applications of NumPy in our day-to-day life are, you can use this in data analysis, signal processing, machine learning, image manipulation, and scientific researches. The summary of this video is, um, NumPy is efficient and powerful. This is easy to use with many built-in functions, and as NumPy is essential for data science and numerical computing. Thank you for listening.